Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is one of the laudable initiatives under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister to celebrate and commemorate the completion of the 75 years of independence. This Mahotsav has rightly provided an occasion to rejoice the nation's glorious past, its cultural, social, economic, and scientific achievements made during the admirable 75 years, and also to reaffirm our commitment to the nation's progress going forward 25 years into the future. We look at the selfless spirit of the freedom fighters with humility and pride. On this occasion, we honor and salute them. I had the privilege of felicitating the freedom fighters from our state of Andhra Pradesh. At the commencement of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, while commemorating our freedom fighters, I was immensely pleased to visit and pay my respects to Srimati Sita Mahalakshmi, the daughter of late Sri Pingali Venkaya, at her native place. Income inequality would result in increased rural indebtedness, lower purchasing power, and reduction in rural aggregate demand. This is a serious problem that deserves immediate attention from all of us as policy makers. In the light of the fragility, the interventions must be made more impactful and identifying and effectively addressing the bottlenecks and thereby making inclusive economic growth possible. Sir, I wish to conclude by saying that we would redouble our efforts to ensure the success of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. I convey my thanks for this opportunity. Look forward to many such occasions where we have a chance to reflect on the past and deliberate on the appropriate course for the future. Jai Hind.
Please subscribe Dot News.